Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming what your mic actually outputs because that determines the path. If you have a dynamic mic with 3, 5 mm or 6, 35 mm, grab the matching cable and an adapter if needed. Once done, check that your F&d T60x is powered and set to AUX input. The speaker won't provide phantom power, so if your mic is condenser, you must use a small mixer or audio interface first. Make sure volumes are down before you plug anything in to avoid pops. Now route the mic into the speaker chain. If you used a USB or XLR interface, connect the interface's headphone or line output to the T60X3. 5 mm AUX input with the appropriate cable. If your mic is directly 3, 5 mm, plug straight into the speaker's AUX port. Once connected, power up the interface and the speaker, then slowly raise the mic gain and speaker volume while you speak to set a clean level. You want clear voice without clipping, so watch meters and listen. To finish, run a short live test and adjust EQ on your interface or mixer, reduce bass or add presence to clear the voice. If you hear no sound, immediately check physical connections, ensure the T60X is on AUX mode, confirm mutes are off, and verify the interface output is routed to the speaker. If feedback occurs, lower gain or move the mic farther from the speaker. Finally, remember condenser, mics need external 48V phantom. Use a preamp or interface if required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.